Hey, this is Dre. I'm getting pulled over by Smyrna Police Department in the freaking car wash. How the fuck you get pulled over in the car wash? Now, seriously, the reason for this video, well, I guess you've seen the name. Oh, hell, I might change, I might use being pulled over. That's the reason I use being pulled over in the car wash. I think that's gonna be the name. But anyway, what the? Oh, I ain't got no air conditioning. I wonder why it's so damn hot in here. I was getting ready to say. What I was getting ready to say was this. I got out my car to look at my tire size, and god damn it, I forgot it. I think it was 265. Hell, I forgot the tire size. Well, anyway, when I got back in the car, I didn't put my seatbelt on because I'm going to get out and inspect my car after I go through the car wash. And so I said this would be a perfect spot to utilize the stop start because I'm sitting in one spot for quite a bit of time. So I reached up to cut it off, to cut it on, and I realized I hadn't cut it off. Well, no, I'm sorry. I reached up to cut it on so it would cut the engine off, but the damn truck didn't cut off. So I'm like, the truck is not in tow haul mode. The switch is not off. So why isn't the truck not cutting off? Take your seatbelt off. It won't cut off. Take your seatbelt off. It won't cut off. Because I was wondering, like, you know, what's going to happen when you're working on a car? What the hell? I had said what's going to happen when you're working on your car and you don't want to start, you forget to cut the start off. Well, turns out as I was saying, you take your seatbelt off, it disables the stop start. But of course, you're gonna get a ticket by the police. Especially if you're a black man riding in the white folk neighborhood. This is Dre, y'all have a good day. By the way, I know this woman that's 46 years old. The woman is about 300 pounds. She's fucking afraid of car washes. I'm talking about the bitch was sitting up in here like this. Oh my God. That's Dre. Y'all have a good day. All right.